Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I am going to be decorating my, what's this called? The vertical, wow, couldn't even, the vertical planner for the week of the 22nd. I use this for health and wellness. Excuse the dogs in the background. I use this for health and wellness. I know that Happy Planner does a wellness layout. I detest their wellness layout with a passion. So I just make this work for my wellness stuff. I'm going to be using the Happy Planner Love Every Season, the Planner Stash Challenge for July. One of them was to use seasonal summer squad books, and I love this book. So I'm going to be using this, and I got out a couple of washies because we've got gold. Of course we have gold. There's gold in every Happy Planner book, just about. This one fits perfectly. I've got gold, clearly. This one was a washi tape that they sent in the mystery bag thing from last year. And I just thought the colours matched the vibe. So, yes. If you haven't seen me use this before, I used to hate these. Now I love them. Because they match what I do with my planner really well. And what I do with my planner and what you do are going to be two different things, right? But I think we're going to have all of the things. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to wait on that one. I want to have all of the colours. I want to bring all of the colours in. We're going to have a tropical oasis. What colour haven't I done? I haven't done the blue. I haven't done the blue or the yellow. Get off the page. Get off the page. So this is how I use this planner. I separate it into three. The middle bit is tracking for my food. I have started to put my workouts in here. I will probably be changing that because I started using an app. Because when I'm in the gym, I can't very well be doing, I think I want pink. I can't very well be doing things on pen and paper in the gym. So what I did was I searched around for an app. Now, if you are on Android, as I am, I'm going to highly suggest that you get FitNotes. Can you see that? FitNotes. Ignore Stella in the background. FitNotes. Because it gives you the workouts and you can put everything in. You can add your own exercises in. It's fabulous. Rini and I are both using it, and I've been using it over a week now and I love it. It's got no fluff. Oh, and it's free. It's free. Got no fluff, no things that you don't need. It is fabulous. All right, and I think I'm torn between this one and this one. When I opened this one was the one that was speaking to me, so I think we're going to go, oh, but that swimsuit, no, I think the swimsuit will still match this. I think this will fit the washi tape better than that one. Yeah. All right, that's the plan. That's the plan. So what I need, oh, and this bit, sorry, this bit is for my workout of the day, of what I actually do. Because what I actually do and what I plan to do tend to be two different things. That is a different green. So what I'm going to do, because I need that, I'm going to change those around. I need that for Monday. That will go in there, and then we need yellow for Friday. This is for the overnight facial peel that I put on, and I think that is it. I don't believe there's any other things that I need. Oh, and I need a little box for up here, or something. I need a little something for up there. That could be another one of those. Oh, it could just be one of those. Put a pen in that. Oh, no, these. One of these. Why am I drawn to this green? Yeah, and that's going there. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And then this one will go bottom and top. And then the gold will go, yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's make a start. Now I just need to decide what way around I want this washi. Do I want it blue on the top or green on the top? Green on the bottom. Okay, fair enough. So here's what I will say. Again, back in the gym after, you know, I haven't worked out at a gym for years, but I had frozen shoulder. Well, pandemic first, clearly, but then I had frozen shoulder. Then I had my broken kneecap and I was recovering from that. And then, yeah, now I'm back in the gym. I was just literally telling Rini, because she was like, my arms are jelly this morning. And I was like, here's my thing. I sat down funny yesterday, and now my knee is hurting. The one that I broke is hurting because I hyperextended my knee, which is my issue. I'm loosey-goosey in my joints and I hyperextended my knee, and now my knee is being vocal about how it feels about that. So I have a compression bandage on my knee. I have a compression bandage on my right foot because I've been dealing with plantar fasciitis for the last, I want to say, a good couple of months. It's probably about 3 months if I'm, again, I have no concept of time. I don't know. Let's say 3 months. So yeah, I'm just like, what the hell? So again, I'm going to be using it slightly differently, the layout, because that's the stuff that I want to put in. When did my plantar fasciitis start? I don't know, because I didn't put it in my freaking planner. I don't think I did. I had to look back. I couldn't see it. Oh, it could be in my journal. Okay, good point. I've been putting my workouts in the whole way. What I think I'm going to start doing is tracking that on the app, my workouts, and just putting my personal bests in. So this is what I've been doing. I know some of you are kind of interested on how I'm using this. So I'll put in like my workout, the whole thing. You know, what did I do? What weight did I do? The reps and the sets and all of that. What I need to put in is my left knee hurts because there's no room. There's no room otherwise. So yeah, I'm just like, I'm still deciding what I want with this thing. And it changes. I realize that it does change depending on what we're doing. But yeah. Oh, hang on. I need to white out this bit. I need to white out this because that will be where the boxes go. Here's the thing. If you'd asked me, oh, are you going to need gold washi? I would have said, hell no. But because the Happy Planner stickers have a ton of gold in them, it's like the thing that you need to put in to make everything match. It's annoying. It's annoying. All right, that's the washi in. And then we will put in the stickiers. The stickiers. So again, I'm using it different. As of next week, I'm using it different. And we will be having my workout boxes. My workout boxes, that will be for my workouts, because that's why they're workout boxes. And I'll just put in what the workout was, lower body day, at the gym or at home, depending on whatever the thing is. And then an overall consensus of how the workout went. I don't need to put in every little detail in here. I would like to, but then that comes at the expense of missing something else, doesn't it? So I can't get this in without, there we go. There we go. Okay, we've done it. And I'm doing one of the challenges. So yeah, I want you to let me know if your fitness journey is going well, your health and fitness journey is going well. I know a couple of you do have like specific fitness planners or workout planners, whatever you want to call them. Heck yes, I love that. That's why I wanted to keep that. I go back and forth with liking these if they fit the spread. The bits down the middle, this fits it, so it's fine. But the ones that don't fit annoy the crap out of me. That can go there. That one can go there because then it matches. And it matches. Yes. And then this, I'm going to put here. This is for my weekly weigh-in. If you're weighing daily, I highly recommend that you stop weighing daily. You don't need to weigh daily, just do it once a week. Yeah, you don't need to be weighing every day. Don't need to be weighing every day. It's not what we should be doing. And then I think, what else do I need? I need not trackers. Oh, I need my hydration trackers. 1 second. I'm just going to see. I was going to use these, but I'm just going to see if I can use any stickers. I know I have. What I need to do is take all of the habit trackers out of my books and see if they match. Oh, see that one, yeah, that one. That one fits the vibe, doesn't it? The pink one does as well. Oh, hang on. Oh, the gold one. Oh my God, I've got too many choices now. I think we're going to put this one in. I think it's the green. I'm feeling the green vibe there. I might put a header or something in there. And then, oh no, where's she gone? Where's she gone? Where's she gone? No, the book. The book is apparently a she. Her. Feeling that vibe. Heck, yes. See, now I think I need the pink. Oh my God. Please vote pink or green. Pink or green. Oh, I could put both in. I'm going to put both in. I'm going to put both in because I can. But she is amazing. 1 sec, because I'm going to have to white out a bit of that. Or put it along a bit. No, that goes there. Yeah. I need to white out that bit of her foot. Otherwise you can see it underneath her foot. Nobody wants that. You know what? I might as well just white that whole thing out. I don't need that bit. I know it's a weekly habit. This bloody habit tracker. She has just made this spread go to the next level. In case you're wondering. Yes. Yes, and so much yes. All right. Let's put the hydration things in. I'm still tracking my hydration. Hang on. This is my thing. I'm really good sometimes at drinking my water. Like, I'll be fantastic. And then I'll just go through a phase where suddenly I forget that my water bottle exists and that I need to drink water. Again, when you've got a brain that doesn't work normally, and you know, I admit it, my brain doesn't work normally, it's hard to remember that things are there. Case in point, I put my watch on charge. I think it was Saturday. I went to charge my watch up and I didn't do it at night because I wanted the sleep data, right? It's a Garmin, so it gives me all the information. I'm actually upgrading it. It should come tomorrow. But I put my watch on charge and then my brain ceased to remember that it existed. I went out, did all my stuff, and then I forgot that I had to put it back on again. Just again, if it's not in front of my face, it's like laundry. If it's not in front of my face, I forget that it's there. It doesn't exist anymore. What I'm going to do for the little doodads for my food, I'm going to get, if I find them, what did I do with those? That's a good question. I've got little doodads somewhere. In case you're wondering what a doodad is, it's these. I literally have just like been like, they're not in the usual place. I usually keep them in my planner cart and I'd move them. So yes, these, I think, let's do the circles. Let's do the circles. Yes, I am this pedantic with my stuff. And that will be for lunch and dinner. Okay, I'm just going to do the rest of these and I'll be right back. Again, if you'd have asked me if I was going to buy a whole thing of gold shapes and stuff, I would have said you're crazy. But sometimes it's what you need to bring in the gold on one sticker in here. One sticker, there's gold, but then the washi tape and now this makes it more cohesive. Oh, there's dog hair underneath there. Of course there is. I'm going to add in a couple of little bullets, just the dots over here as little to-dos. Usually like mani-pedi or something like that. They can go there. And I think that is it. Do I need anything else? I think that's it. Let me have a look at the sticker book just to see if, and now I already know that I do, I want to add a little toucan somewhere. I want in there, but I need to use that, so I can't. Again, I use this very functionally. Let's put in there. Yes. And then I think something down here, which is my go-to thing that I do. Maybe something like this. One of those flowers. Maybe that one? That's a lot though. Now I'm going to cut that one in half. And try, once I can get it off the page. Super glued to the page, people. I've done it, I've done it, I've done it. Just going to cut that. And then put that half back in. And then this half is going to go right there. Yes. See now I'm like, I want one of the butterflies. I might just put that there. I'm gonna put that there. Why not? Put it there. Okay. I'm done. That took far too long. That took far too long. But yeah, I want you to let me know how your health stuff is doing. Because we're like, you know, over halfway through the year now. And I'm still changing things. Anybody else still changing things? I'm still changing things. So yes, I love this. Again, I've used this very functionally. Lots of writing. Lots of writing. Soon to be lots of writing. But I love this. I love this. This section, I love. The habit trackers, I love. Having some kind of decorative box. Washi, and then a box in here. I'm just still figuring out the rest of it. I'm still figuring out what I'm doing here and here. Is it about the workout? What am I doing? Don't know. It's evolving. It's evolving. All right, if you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed my mad rambles about my health and stuff like that, and my knee, my ankle, my shoulder, my wrist. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!